Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain about Save Sealer reviews and know if this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question: should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till the end. I will share the way to get your money back. Talking about this website is termed to have revolution in kitchenwares. It has various products which can help you to revolve your kitchen into a completely different manner. Talking about its product, there are three kind of products available in it, which are named as this vacuum sealer, silicone bags and vacuum seal bags. Talking about its price, the prices seems to be pretty much affordable according to the quality they are offering. Tried to check out the payment methods of this website and got to know that the payment methods are PayPal, debit card, credit card and MX, as you can see. Now, going back to the main thing, which is like shipping. So the shipping charges are free on all orders. There are no shipping charges on any of its order, which is a pretty amazing thing nowadays. But before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to bring out more such informative video. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Though this is a very popular one in the countries like United States, but we still need to check the authenticity of website just to be ensured that our listeners are safe. Talking about its HTTP protocol, this website has a valid HTTP protocol, and the age of the website, the domain was registered on 11th of March 2020, which is not much time. I mean, like, it's less than a year, I suppose. So yes, the domain age is not so old. The website has recently came into existence. Talking about its contact us information, we tried to check that out but couldn't find the physical address or the contact number of this website. Only that we could have was the email ID, that is as support@savesealer.com. For other queries, we have to enter our details and they ensure us that they'll get back to us in a while. Talking about its social media existence, this website has no social media sites as far as our research is concerned. Nonetheless, the website has not also mentioned any kind of links of its social media handles. The email ID has been provided as I showed you. Moving further, talking about its return and exchange policy, there is nothing mentioned about it on the website or anywhere else. If you have any views regarding return or exchange policy, then please let us know. Talking about customer reviews, there are few customer reviews on the website which are positive on a whole, but we can't trust the website reviews. We have to search over the reviews on other websites as well. We did that but found that most of the customers are pretty much happy about how the product turned out to be. So yeah, as far as the website content quality is concerned, I think the content quality of the website is pretty much appreciable. Everything is given in details and they have provided a well served information about their product. Concerning all the factors that we saw or just learned about, I can probably claim that this website is a legit one. You can surely trust on this website and place your money or invest your money on this. But if you have faced any kind of fraud over this website, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video and share it with your friends. But if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe.